She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you like this video. So let's get started. First of all, I'm taking this Good Vibes Rosehip Serum and this is best under your makeup. It has a silky smooth texture that I can't explain, but I just love it. So I'm spreading it out evenly all over my face and also around my eye area because that's where we are going to use a lot of products.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Next, I'm taking this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer, and this is a great moisturizer if you have combination or oily skin type. Believe me, it's not oily at all, it's just like water. So I'm applying it all over my face and can you see that glow? Oh my god, wow. Next, I'm taking this NY Bay Orange Corrector Stick and I'm applying it on my dark circles so that it will cancel out the darkness over there, and I'm blending it out with the help of my finger. I think dark circles are my best friend, like they never leave me alone. Anyways, next I'm applying it on my lid and I'm blending it properly with the help of my finger.
Slow it down like that, just hold me down like that, yeah. She's a Mona Lisa.
I'm doing the same onto the other side.
There must be something about her features.
Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. It's not too thin, not too thick, just a perfect foundation. So I'm applying it all over my face, also on my disappointed nose, and I'm blending it out with the help of a damp beauty blender. So the key here is to blend it properly so that you will get that flawless base. Can you see the difference? So I'm taking my time to blend it properly.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Next, I'm taking the same foundation and applying it under my eye and also on my lid, and I'm going to blend it with the help of a beauty blender. This foundation doesn't give you full coverage, but you can obviously build it up.
Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show.
Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige, and I'm applying it onto the inner corner and outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to spread it under my eye with the help of beauty blender. I'm doing this because it will prevent any creasing under my eye because I'm using less product under my eye.
To see her. There must be something about her features.
I'm going to do the same onto the other side. Take your time and blend properly.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso.
Next, I'm taking this eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild in the shade Brunette Do It Better. So first of all, I'm combing my eyebrows and then I'm going to apply the product on my brows. I don't know how to explain this part, but you can just watch the video.
Just hold me down like that, yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her.
Next, I'm taking this eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in the variant Rose in Air, and I'm taking that light brown shade and applying it all over my crease and also on my eyelid, and I'm blending it out properly. Then I'm taking it under my lower lash line Next I'm taking this burnt brick brown shade and I'm applying it all over my lid. Make sure to intensify the color and blend it out properly. I'm also going to take it under my lower lash line.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get.
Next I'm taking this darkest brown shade and I'm applying it as my wing liner. So make sure you intensify that line because that's how you are going to get that partial smoky eye look.
Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all the dudes are trying.
I'm also applying it on my waterline and then I'm going to blend it with other shades. Next I'm taking this Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara and I'm coating every lashes of mine. I don't know why my eyes get so watery whenever I apply a mascara. I'm also applying it on my lower lash. Next I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Compact and I'm applying it all over my face just to lock everything in. I should have used this earlier but I completely forgot.
Let me paint a picture. I see that.
Next I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the variant Mellow Wine. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful color. Now at this moment I realized that I have mascara on my lid. I figured it out when I was editing this video. So I'm applying it all over my cheeks, on my nose, on my chin and also a little bit on my forehead.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's
Next I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the variant Precious Better and this is such a beautiful highlighter. I'm applying it all over my nose, my cheekbones, my chin and above my eyebrow area. Next I'm taking Maybelline Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the variant Nude Nuance and this is such a beautiful shade. Like I just love this shade. So I'm applying it all over my lips. Obviously that's how you apply it. What am I saying? So we completed our makeup tutorial. So if you are new to my channel and you have no idea what this channel is all about, I will suggest you to watch my intro. I will link it in the description box below. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.
Honey, shit, oh shit. Crying up for down for us.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.